What is hacking? A very common question. You always think hacking is something to gain passwords of someone's Facebook account, gaining access to someone's private data, cyber attack और cyber terrorism. बट आपने कभी सोचा है कि ये सब कुछ आपके माइंड में क्यों आता है? देयर इज़ ओनली वन रीज़न एंड रीज़न इज़ मीडिया. आपको ऐसा मीडिया हमेशा इंटरप्रेट करती है हैकिंग इज़ इलीगल, हैकिंग इज़ समथिंग चोरी करना, राइट? बट इट इज़ नॉट हैकिंग. Illegal part is cracking, not hacking. Now what is hacking? Hacking is something to gain expertise, to show expertise. The moment आपने किसी चीज़ में expertise gain किया, आप उस चीज़ के hacker बन सकते हो. और expertise gain करने के लिए आपको उस चीज़ को बार बार try करना पड़ता है. You have to try it first. The moment you get success, you can move ahead to the next level. But if you are not getting success, then you need to try it again. That is actually hacking. Hacking is all about trying. Try again until you get success. Now, why do we need hackers? Hackers can succeed in turning dreams of endless possibilities into realities. Hackers have brought us modern operating systems, new programming languages, updated personal computers, and other technical advancements. Like there is a simple example. Previously you were using Windows 95, then Windows 98 came, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, and nowadays you are using Windows 8. Why? You know what? Microsoft is launching new operating systems. Companies are upgrading their softwares. There is only one reason. Because earlier operating systems were having some bugs, some security loopholes in their versions. It is the reason they are launching their upgraded versions in the market. And somehow hackers are responsible for this technology upgradation. Because only hackers are finding these loopholes. And it is the reason why do we need hackers. Now let's have a look for preparation of attack and breaching the security. There are some steps, and the very first step is reconnaissance. In this step, attackers collect your information available on internet like email ID, your profile on website, your contact information, your hobbies and interest, and that is totally non-technical information. यहाँ पर कुछ भी आपको technical collect नहीं करना, everything would be non-technical stuff. The next step would be scanning. In this step, attacker will find some technical information about you, your resources, your website and your operating system. And after getting all these scanning details, your reconnaissance, attacker now will attack your resource and he will get unauthorized access, that is gaining access. Now many of you must be thinking attack has been completed, but ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. There is still some steps are left and the step is maintaining access. After completing all this attack, attackers क्या करते हैं, वो हमेशा अपने प्रोजेक्ट्स में एक बैकडोर ओपन करते हैं ताकि वो दोबारा से आ सकें और वापस से एप्लीकेशन का कंट्रोल ले सकें. दैट इज़ समथिंग कॉल्ड एज मेंटेनिंग एक्सेस और क्रिएटिंग ए बैकडोर. द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज़ हेयर, दैट इज़ क्लियरिंग ट्रैक्स. सब कुछ अटैक पूरा करने के बाद वो लोग अपने डिजिटल फिंगरप्रिंट्स को रिमूव करते हैं. दैट इज समथिंग कॉल्ड एज क्लियरिंग ट्रैक्स. नाउ लेट्स हैव अ लुक हाउ टू गेट रिड ऑफ अटैकर्स. अपने आप को आप कैसे बचा सकते हैं सब अटैक से. एंड देयर इज़ अ वे, वेरी गुड वे इज़ डू नॉट परचेज कंप्यूटर. ना तो आपके पास कंप्यूटर्स होंगे और ना ही आप कभी हैक होंगे. बट आई बिलीव यू मस्ट बी हैविंग कंप्यूटर्स. तो ये आपके लिए नहीं है. फॉर यू गाइज देयर इज अनदर वे, दैट इज डू नॉट अप्लाई फॉर इंटरनेट कनेक्शन. ना ही आपके पास इंटरनेट होगा, ना आपकी वेबसाइट्स होंगी और ना ही वो कभी हैक होंगी. बट अगेन आई बिलीव यू मस्ट बी हैविंग इंटरनेट एज वेल. देयर इज अ लास्ट वे फॉर यू गाइज, दैट इज शट डाउन योर कंप्यूटर इमीडिएटली एंड नेवर टर्न इट ऑन. दैट इज अ अल्टीमेट वे. You know, in digital world you cannot say you are secure. You need to try to hack yourself again and again, only then you can feel secure, right? That is digital world. Now let us see protection from attackers. And very first is learn ethical hacking yourself, and second is hire an ethical hacker to protect you and your resources. So I believe very first step is very good because nobody will protect you. हो सकता है कि जिसको आप हायर कर रहे हो वही आपको हैक कर ले. So very good way, our best way is learn ethical hacking by yourself. Now prevention from attackers, and the only protection against everything is to unplug your computer system and lock them away so no one can touch them, not even you. And there is a famous saying, to catch a thief, think like a thief. You know what, जब तक आपको पता नहीं होगा चोर चोरी कैसे करता है तब तक आप उसे बचा नहीं सकते. Now you always have some locks on your doors, you have some locks put on your doors because you have a thought in your mind क्योंकि चोर यहाँ से अंदर आ सकता है और चोरी कर सकता है. You know very well कि चोर चोरी कैसे करेगा, तभी आपने ये सब कुछ precautions लिए, right? So similarly we'll be showing you lots of attacks, we'll teach you hacking, we'll show you hacking, but the only motive is to just let you know what are the attacks, और अगर in future वो attacks आपके ऊपर होते हैं उनसे बचना कैसे है. That is the only thing that we are showing in the module, and will prepare you for those attacks so that you can protect your computers, and only you need to fight for your protection. No one will come to save you. So it means your security is only in your hand. Fill it and make it. And it was the very first module, that is introduction.